So, I was recently looking through some things of mine, and I found this. What's inside, you may ask? If I can freaking get it open with one hand? Ugh. What exactly is a PocketMail? Let's find out. We have a screen and a QWERTY keyboard. Some Michelle Obamacus buttons over on the back. I might need to censor these numbers, actually. What is this? It's very fun to play with, however, I will admit. I'll just go, with it. Copyright 1999. And a battery compartment? It looks like this just takes, like, 2 AA batteries. Well, I'm gonna go get some and see if I can get this running. Hopefully these are some good batteries. Time to close this up and see if it works. Open. Power. Power? Oh. I said power, you gosh darn thing. Crap, I forgot to flip this. Now power? Power. And we're in. What is in it to do? No entries? Calculator. Well, it's a calculator. Tools. Pocket rules. What is that? Find. Oh, it's just a sorting through thing. Ooh, Mary wears specs. FFS error. Memo. Haha, lol. Phillips nugget went missing.
Grilled cheese Obama sandwich.
Folders. Device model composer. You can hook it up to a PC. That didn't seem to do anything. Also, it thinks it's still 21 years ago. What does this button do? Your batteries are low, that's a shame. Is there anything in the inbox still? Nah. Whoever owned this before me sure did a good job at wiping it, looks like. Oh. And it just died right in front of me. So I looked it up and it turns out to actually be a very, very old email sender. Specifically, you had to put it up to a telephone to send your emails. And I can't even test that since I don't even have a working telephone. Or at least one of the ones that this was made for. But since I'm too lazy to charge the batteries all the way, I think that's all I'm going to be getting out of this for now. Well, that's it. Some mail thing from 1999. If you want to see more videos like this, then consider subscribing. And I'll see you all again very soon. Goodbye.